Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 22nd and 23rd, 2016. The weekend outlook, and starts off very windy today. That's going to be the big theme. We're going to have some showers moving away from the area this morning, and that's going to slowly improve from southwest to northeast. I do think it's going to be hanging on for a little bit, though, and across eastern portions of northeast PA and northern New Jersey might hang on to the afternoon hours with those showers, but starts to wrap up probably mid to late afternoon at the latest, and then this pulls away. This is all in association with this system here that moved through yesterday and again last night, brought those showers. Heavier rain out here in central PA occurred between Center County and Lycoming County. Some very, very heavy rainfall rates there, but nothing like that further east. More showery, and that's going to be ending. Like I said, for most areas will be ending by noon today, but it will be lingering a little bit later in the afternoon hours. Let's go over to the NAM future simulated radar. This is showing at 5 a.m. You can see the shower activity across much of the eastern sections of our coverage area. Going a little bit further here now to 8 a.m. You can see another batch that's going to start rotating through, and this is going through the late morning now to 11 a.m. So you still get some showers in eastern Pennsylvania at this point. By the time you get to 2 p.m. though, it's pretty much in northeast PA and northern New Jersey and moving out, and then that might hang out in those far northeastern regions, far northern regions, might hang out as far as showers go until later in the afternoon on Saturday before it moves away. But the real big deal today will be the winds, and as you can see, these isobars so tightly packed together. Winds will be out of the west-northwest today, 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained, and gusts over 45 miles per hour at times across pretty much everywhere in the coverage area, but the highest wind values will be north of extreme southern New Jersey and Delaware. I think your best winds are probably up here in this area here, but that covers most of our area today. Going a little bit further here, we go into here's later Saturday, and then we get into the overnight hours. We start to go to partly cloudy, but you can see the isobars are still pretty tightly packed together here. So we're still talking about windy conditions again on Sunday. So might not be quite as windy, but we go from 20 to 30 sustained to maybe 15 to 25. There's not much of a decline in winds, so expect the winds to be very high again on Sunday. And then it's still breezy here on Monday. We're going to have a little system that's going to try to push through here overnight, Sunday night. And it's going to be a little bit warmer on Sunday than it was on Saturday. Of course, Saturday is going to be very chilly with temperatures not getting out of the 40s up here in the across northeastern PA, northern New Jersey, and a part of east central PA will just barely get into the 50s. So barely mid-50s down here by Philadelphia. But then we get to Sunday, temperatures go up a little bit. We approach 60 degrees in our central and southern locations ahead of this little weak system, little clipper system. And then that kind of falls apart. And on Monday, we get back to the breezy conditions behind this again. And again, not as breezy as Sunday, not as breezy as Saturday, obviously. And but we still have some breezing conditions in place here on Monday as well. And temperatures will be falling. And then we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. This high pressure right here is going to be taking control. Give us another couple days of temperatures that are below normal, Tuesday and Wednesday especially. Still think it stays at least slightly below normal by the time we get to Thursday, but we're going to be watching this system coming in from our west, and this is going to have a cold front with it. That'll come through toward the end of the week here. Here's Thursday morning. By the time you get to the evening hours, you could have, call it an increase in clouds, maybe some showers coming through either late Thursday or overnight Thursday night into Friday. This looks like the best timetable right now, but there could be some decent rain with this as it comes across. I don't want to jump the gun on the rain amounts here yet, because that can certainly change. We're talking about a week away, and we've seen this change over time plenty as we get into the shorter term. But the whole idea here of a cold front is what needs to be focused on at this point. And then beyond this one, the high's going to everything's going to go a little more zonal. So we're going to get into temperatures that are going to be slightly above normal for a little while. It looks like as we get past next Friday, we head into the next weekend, we'll probably go to slightly above normal temperatures and stay above normal as we head into the first week of November. It looks like we released our latest long-range outlook last night, as we do every Friday on the Facebook page or on the website. You can check that out, and that does go out until November 7th with the week-to-week details. So you can check that out. But that's what we're thinking right now, is that we are going to start off at least the first half of November on the warmer side. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is our outlook for the weekend, October 22nd and 23rd, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.